This video will show you how to replace the blower motor assembly on a GMC Sierra 2500. This will be located under the passenger side of your dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Make your way underneath the passenger side dash. We're going to remove our lower plastic panel. Now as we look underneath the dash here, we can see all the way over towards the passenger side kick panel, one of our 7mm headed mounting bolts. Now there are 3 of these. There's one here, there's one in the center, and one all the way over towards the driver's side. Let's start with the one on the passenger side. Just a quick inspection of our hardware as we continue on. Let's get the next bolt out of there. Our next piece of hardware is located just underneath where the center console is. We're making our way all the way down here. Another 7mm headed mounting bolt. Now this bolt is tucked right in here. Let's see if I can get my tool on it. Now that I have that out of there, let's move all the way over towards the driver's side. We're saving the center for last. Now that we have that one out, we're making our way towards the center. This is where the next mounting bolt is. If you were looking at the plastic panel, you can see this rectangular notch. Make your way just underneath it. Now this is a tight area. Still using our 7mm. There we are. Gonna take hold of this shield. We're just gonna give it a wiggle. Should be able to pull it out of place. Now that we have the panel out of the way, we have a clear view of our blower motor. Let's start by disconnecting our electrical connector here. It has a locking tab down along the bottom. Let's go ahead and press that in and pull this out of place. For this, I'm just using a pocket screwdriver. I'm pressing in on my locking tab. Once it's disconnected, a quick inspection for corrosion, of course. This looks good. Now we can see that our wiring harness is attached to this area of the blower motor. Gently pry it out of place. To pry it out of place, I'm just using a trim tool. You can use a flat blade screwdriver if necessary. We're not so worried about breaking the blower motor, of course. We're replacing it. If you did happen to break your mounting tab, you can replace it using a wire tie. Set that aside. Now with that out of place, let's go ahead and take hold of the blower motor. We're going to turn it clockwise and then pull it down and out of place. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, we want to make sure we clean and inspect the mounting area. Just make sure there's no miscellaneous debris. Once you've completed that, it's time for installation of the brand new blower motor assembly. Now as we come underneath the dash, we want to make sure we start at this angle. We're pressing it in till it feels like it latches going up. Then we're turning it counterclockwise and listening for an audible click. Now after that audible click, we're paying attention to our one locking tab right along here. We can see that this is properly latched in. We're going to take hold of this, attempt to remove it. It should not slide out of place. We'll continue on with our electrical connector next. Now for this connector, we have our locking tab that's going to be facing downward. Press that in and listen for a click. We're going to secure it right here. Just line that up. We're pressing it in. Once again, if this is broken, you can just use a wire tie if necessary. Let's continue on to our plastic panel. Let's get our lower panel back in place here. I'm bringing this over. Once you feel as though you have it properly aligned, continue on to all of your mounting bolts. You're going to start them in and snug them up. Now I've got one of my mounting screws. Get this started in right here. Now we're towards the center area. We have another mounting bolt. It's going to go right in this port here. It's very difficult to see. Right there's bottomed out. Let's make our way towards the driver's side next. Right there's bottomed out. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you need to do is put the key in the on position, and you're going to make sure you test your blower motor on all speeds. This is going to test the blower motor and your resistor. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.